Welcome to this episode of Y'all of Day. My name is Quick Sheldon. This is Big for a reason. This episode of Y'all of Day is brought to you by Tap Send. Now, this country there, at this point, they have to sell the country and give me my share so that I can leave. I can relocate to, I don't know, man. I'll probably want to live in Togo. So maybe, honestly, bro, because I'm trying to be serious here, because this country has been driven into a state of abyss, and it's sad. What I witnessed in the weekend, I wouldn't want anyone to witness that thing. Like, bro, it's crazy, bro. It left small, and water they carry my car and me say for away, bro. Huh? It check like Accra here now. If you sweat where you drop for floor or ground, flood will happen. And at this point, if you are trying to save money to buy a car, you know the need per canoe, per BB boat, something. Because, bro, what we are going to experience from now to whatever, it is going to bust your mind. Do y'all saw what happened in the weekend on Saturday? This is sad. Since 1960, there was a news item in Daily Graphic about flood. 1960 till now, we still talk about flood in Ghana. I'm not saying say other countries know the flood, but why this country? Why? The Shiashi there, Okonglu, the stretch there, bro. We did, bro. And the thing to be say, people know the land. As the figure said, that my cars be some jungle car, then go fit. Oh, here land try. What they call fly the pyre. Oh, your own guy. Uchi Hyundai matters. Say what? They was a day. Tico. Flood come out. Oh, you see, say water occupy street top. You they go pass inside. Bro, and I saw videos like people them are everywhere. Oh, you better take it.
Because sushi kakweti kedi ana kushimko ile je wesa na bo wapi. Bona aide. Bona ke ka wi. Ele de bi. Aso yo ko ma yu anwa. Ele de bi. Amen tuma na me ma. What is that? You better go in. Ni a de bi. To fire me, fair.
What is happening in this country, man? In a video, Kofi Kinata self-talk say, Charlie Ghana, if you rain for 30 minutes, the rest will be pool party.
Accra, in suit of 5 minutes and can a pool party.
Man, it was scary, and this was just a deal. If rain fall for this country continuously for 3 days, I can assure you, say, unless we call Noah. Palm shine, no, palm shine. Eja Noah, palm shine, no. Bro, because it's crazy, man. How? It's crazy. Everywhere you go past, the road or roads where you don't even get gutter. The gutters to 2022, we still they do open drains. Like gutter, no gutter you for do cover them so that Kwasiabi no will go throw something for inside. Then do gutter. You know the people that you are ruling. You know the people that you are governing. Bro, Obeja Banchako Shegu gutter. So in order to avoid that, seal the gutters. When you leave them open, and when the flood happens, a tank of phobia, yes, Rabbi, no, yes, Rabbi, also. Bro, we contribute to some of these problems. As for the government, they know they are useless. And so there's nothing I'm going to do because honestly, they have approved people have built our waterways. Who approved it for them to build over there? The assemblies. But this is scary. Just a day. Just a day. This is just one day. One day. Imagine say you continue for 2-3 days. People don't go work. You can't go to work. We experience this every goddamn year. Every year we experience this. Every year we experience this. And people go die. We go lose lives. We go lose properties. They will set up a committee to go and committee, and there's no solutions. Concrete solutions, nothing. We just sit there, do it, repeat. Me, I'm sick and tired of this country. There's been a news item from BBC. Ghana is the most expensive country to live in the world right now.
In Africa, Ghana is one of the most expensive countries to live in.
Which can contribute this? And so tired, and everybody may say, if you are saving money to go and buy a car, don't bother. Find something. Go to the village, and do some nice canoe for you. Because they have a feel, and the meteorological agency too. I don't know. Probably maybe they dished out the warning and we didn't see. I don't know the medium of communications. Because some of these things we foreknow. Then the meteorological agency they just did there, have equipment doing nothing. As I said, maybe they said it because if you have an information about maybe something like some rainfall, it can't happen. Aren't you supposed to communicate it to everybody. If you come and tweet it, how many people are on Twitter? Bro, there are a lot of things dysfunctioning in this country, and I don't get it, bro. It's dysfunctioning or malfunctioning, whatever it is. It's crazy. Me, what I experienced, bro, where my car to in Fan Belt Sport. So just I came home with one chaluote. Yes, I came home with one chaluote. So this be the story. My car in Fan Belt can't tear for the opposite presec. Then I do U10 come house where my car in Fan Belt tear for there. So it is ring diggy, so I for park. Then I park where I call my mechanic, say this be what has happened. Then your man to say they come. So I did the car inside. Then as your man come, I did come out. Then go meet him like, yeah, make we see. It ring diggy. So I didn't care because Charlie, I needed the car to be towed away and things. I come out where my slippers for the rave carry am go. One. So I wear one slippers, the room for Accra. The whole day to I no chop. Bro, I said I don't want to go through it too. Then I did negotiate some. I see say some. You see oh this runabout today the atomic runabout. If you do the, you see the car saw they go like this. So I don't know say it the water it occupied the road in middle, so no car go fit past there. I didn't know. When we try to drive, bro, my obituary. I said, my mommy, they pray, bro, because, hey, and nobody even shouted to say, oh, I said, they plan for me to go and enter it. So as I get close, I said, we are tear break. I should say that be how I can save my Fan Belt here. So I do the U-turn, no, they climb, they go do the U-turn for the presect their come house, no. Where the Fan Belt to here. Bro, it's crazy, bro. Me, I have a car and see the way I suffer. No more, Charlie. This country, for sell them and give me my own. I'm sick and tired of this country. I've seen videos of people, they shout. People did the water inside. People, my car, they submerge. Okaninya submarine, they're due. Which country be this? Again, what did we do wrong? What did we do wrong? It's crazy, man. It's crazy. I weep for the motherland. Honestly, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I weep for the motherland. Because I look at some of the things happening, I was like, are you crazy? But this thing is not going anywhere. I know say, oh, if you rain way, the sunshine way, in some area, we go back to default settings. Nobody, nothing will be done about anything. The next year, the same thing. Oh, I mean, as I said, there's been a news item from 1960 reporting about floods in Ghana. If we go do anything about Tama like we do a long time, bro, we do not have pragmatic leaders in this country. We do not have the leaders who care about the welfare of their citizens. So I expect some of these things to be here for a long time. What I'm trying to tell you people is stay safe out there. Stay safe out there. I don't want my subscribers to reduce and my views to reduce. Stay safe, bro. Your life is important to me. If you see say no, bro, who say no? If you see say water there, make you no go do your body like your car they fly. Don't do it. You go drown. People made that mistake. They felt like they go to drive through it. Then like they got to the middle and say, the thing be deep. When you did there, nobody go to help you because I'm not about to risk my life and come and swim. And I'm not tilapia. So please be careful out there. Take care of yourselves. If you see say rain, they come where you don't go to drive for inside. Park your car somewhere safe. Take care of yourselves because these people don't care about us. They don't care. Also, let us create the habit of not building on waterways, not throwing rubbish in gutters to choke it and Ichoko. Mr. Ghana gutters, they're my favorite songs. Playlist Ichoko, most played song. Most of the gutters are choked because Bibinin wano. In as much as we will complain about the government not doing things to help fix these issues now, even if the government do it, bro, my people still go do something foolish. Because, you know, the mentality, bro. The mentality. They don't want to hear it, but the mentality. Tight. Stay safe out there, though, bro. Me, what I experienced this weekend, I wouldn't want to experience it again. So, I'm sure the rain is going to come. Yeah, I think this we they go June, July, right? It be normal. It's like right now. It's like a festival. I don't know, man. But Charlie, crazy world we live in. I'm out.